Morning students, last class we discussed about some properties of integers under multiplication. On that, closure property, commutative property and associative property, and multiplication by zero and multiplicative identity. I will explain briefly. And closure property, the product of any two integers, also in integer, this is a closure property. Next, commutative property, we have to write a plus a into b is equal to b into a. We have to take any two integers, we have to write a into b, the product of two integers also is equal to, we have to write reverse order. Then associative property, a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. This is commutative property. And this is associative property. These three are under multiplication. Next, multiplication of 0, a into 0, otherwise 0 into a is equal to 0 only. Next, multiplicative identity, a into 1 and 1 into a is equal to a. Then finally, then these properties yesterday we will discuss. Then multiplicative identity is equal to multiplicative identity is equal to 1. Multiplicative identity is equal to 1. Today we will discuss about one more property, some different compared to remaining, distributive property. Distributive property. Then for example, a into b plus c, I am taking three integers. A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. This is the distributive property. When a, b, c, these three are integers, the distributive property is, we can write a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Here a is multiplying with b and c is equally. That's why first a into b, then middle what is the symbol? Plus, means addition, then again a into c. This is distributive property. Multiplication under addition. This is distributive property, multiplication under addition. Similarly, a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. Just observe, here a is multiplying b and c with which operation? With subtraction. Your subtraction as an operation is performed between b and c. That's why here a into b minus, here actually a into b plus c. That's why in the symbol is plus. Here a into b minus c. That's why your symbol we are taking minus. Here a, she is multiplying b and c equally, but depend upon the symbol, here also will come minus symbol. This is multiplication under subtraction. Multiplication under subtraction. This is the distributive property. Then any three integers, we can write distributive property is equal a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. This is multiplication under addition. Next, a into b minus c is equal to a into b minus a into c. This is multiplication under subtraction. Okay. Now we'll take one example. Take any numbers. Minus 7 into 2 plus minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3. Minus 7 into minus 2 plus minus 7 into 3. See, here minus 7 is multiplying minus 2 and minus 3 equal. Okay. Now first I am taking LHS. LHS means left hand side values, means minus 7 into, first of all remove the brackets. Here any symbol or there means plus into minus 2 3 is equal to minus 7 into, okay, minus 2 plus 3. Here two numbers are having different symbols, that's why we use subtraction operation, and 3 and 2 difference is 1, and symbol, the higher value is 3 is having plus symbol, that's why answer also will get plus. Minus 1 into minus 7 into 1, 7 1 jar 7, minus into plus minus. This is LHS value. Now RHS. RHS is minus 7 into minus 2 plus minus 7 into 3. Minus 7 into 3. Here minus into minus plus, 7 2 jar 14, plus into minus minus, 7 3 jar 21. See, minus into minus plus, 7 2 jar 14, plus into minus minus, 7 3 jar 21. Okay, 14 minus 21. 14 is a positive number, 21 is a negative number. 14 minus 21, we have 7 only, and symbol of higher value 21 is minus, answer also minus. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Then by using these three integers, the distributive property is verified. Okay, next some more problems we will take. Making multiplication easier. Okay, in case in some problems you have very small multiplications, that is very easy to solve, but in case the big numbers is there, then what I will do, for example, first problem, minus 25 into 37 into 4, minus 25 into 37 into 4. Okay, for example, this problem is there, then we have to multiply in different ways, but which is the easiest way, we have to solve now. See, normally multiply 25 into 37. What is the value 25 into 37? 925. 925. See, minus into plus, minus. Minus into plus, minus. Next, again, what is the third term is 4. Now again should multiply these two. First I am multiplying first value and second value. Now the first value and second value result is minus 925. Now minus 925 into 4. 4 5 jar 20, 4 2 jar 8, plus 2 10, 4 9 jar 36, 37. Minus 3700. Minus means here minus into plus, the symbol of 4 is plus, that's way minus 3700. This is one method. We can solve another method. See, minus 25 into 37 into 4, I am writing minus 25 into 4 into 37. See this one. Just I am changing 37 into 4. I am changing 4 into 37. By which property we are using here? Commutative property under multiplication. Commutative property under multiplication. Just I am changing third term as second term, second term as third value as second value, and second value as third value. Now all we easy. 25 4s are 100, we know already. Then minus into plus, minus, okay, into 37. 25 4s are 100, minus into plus, minus into 37. Now 37 into 100, 3700, otherwise 3700. What about symbol? Minus into plus, minus. See, both are same answer, but this calculation is taking some more time. This calculation is very easy. That's why we are using the suitable properties. We can change the order of, we can change the places of numbers. Can easily we will solve any problems. Okay, here I applied commutative property under multiplication. Okay, some more problems we will check. Next, one more problem. (16 into 12). Second example, 16 into 12. Now I will write this 16 into 12. 16 into 12, I am writing 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2. 16 into 12, I am writing 10 plus 2. We know already what is that? A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Which property this is? Distributive property under multiplication under addition. According to this property, now in A place 16 is there, then 16 into 10 plus 16 into 2. Observe once again. Here 16 into 12 I am writing 12, 10 plus 2 I am writing here. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Like that, 16 into 10 plus 16 into 2. 16 into 10, 160 plus 16 2 is 32. Finally, what is the answer? 192. We know already 16 12 is 192, but this is easiest way by using distributive property multiplication under addition. Okay. Next problem. See once again, 16 into 12 I am writing 12 as 10 plus 2, and I applied here distributive property multiplication under addition. Then A into B plus C, we can write A into B plus A into C. Then 16 into 10 is 160 and 16 into 2 is 32. Is totally 192. Next, third example, minus 23 into 48. Minus 23 into 48. Here, minus 23 into 48, I will write 48, I am writing 50 minus 2. 50 minus 2. Okay, 50 minus 2. This is, here which property we can apply? A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. This is distributive property multiplication under subtraction. Distributive property multiplication under subtraction. Here in A place minus 23, B place 50 and C place 2 is there. That's why. Now we will start the problem. Minus 23 into B means 50 minus 23 into C means 2. See, minus 23 into 48, I am writing 48 as 50 minus 2, minus 23 into 50 and minus 23 into 2. See here, minus into plus, minus 23 5 0, 5 11 0, 1150 minus into plus, minus again, otherwise directly multiply here. Minus into minus, plus 23 2 jar 46, 23 2 jar 46. Next, here 1150 is the negative value, 46 is the positive value. We can take the difference between 1150 and 46. What is that? 1104. 1104 minus. Why? Because the higher value 1150 is having negative symbol. That's why answer also will get negative symbol. Next, one more problem. Last problem will explain. (52 into minus 8). 52 into minus 8 plus minus 52 into 2. Last example, 52 into minus 8 and minus 52 into 2. First of all, 52 into minus 8. See, this one we can write 52 into minus 2. See, why? Because minus into plus, minus, we can write plus into minus also minus. That's why the minus symbol is just interchange the 52 symbol and 2 symbol. Then 52 I am giving positive and 2 I am giving negative. 52 into minus 2. Now which is common? Otherwise which property is applicable? Distributive property, multiplication and addition. See, A into B plus A into C is equal to A into B plus C. A into B plus A into C is equal to A into B plus C. Like that, in A place which value is there here? 52 is common. 52 into B place minus 8 plus C place minus 2. In that, A is equal to 52, B is equal to minus 8 and C is equal to minus 2. Actually, here in the problem they gave plus 2. For our convenience, we will change the symbols, 52 symbol to 2 and 2 symbol to 52. Now, 52 into plus into minus, minus 8 plus into minus, minus 2. 52 into minus 8 and minus 2. Both numbers are negative. That's why we have to use addition operation, and symbol also same symbol, means negative symbol. Now should multiply 52 into 10, 520 plus into minus, minus. Finally answer is minus 520. Okay, I will explain briefly once again. Here 52 into minus 8, 52 into minus 52 into 2. For our convenience, we have to interchange the symbols 52 and 2. Then we just follow the property A into B plus A into C is equal to A into B plus C. This is the distributive property, multiplication under addition. Then we have to convert into, we can easily to calculate the answer. Okay students, next class we will solve some more problems. Thank you.